All right, big round of applause for Flutter. Let me hear it. Woo!
Hello, my name is Ashley. This is Justin, and today we're going to show you Flutter. Flutter is an app that lets you meet people on your phone the same way that you would meet them in real life. Let me show you how it works. Justin's going to start by logging in with Facebook. And then he's going to begin by browsing moments of people nearby. Moments are recorded inside the app and are ephemeral. Each moment lasts 48 hours long. You swipe through moments one by one and decide which ones you like. And when you like someone's moment and they like yours, you match and can connect. Moments can be anything that captures your personality. Justin happens to love playing guitar, and this guy seems pretty cool. So he's going to swipe right, and maybe they'll have the opportunity to meet and jam out together. Notice there's no sound. You can see them, but you can't hear them. And the idea behind this is that we don't want you to have to think of what to say. It's vulnerable enough showing yourself to a stranger. And we also want you to be able to use the app anywhere. Now, this woman's lovely, but Justin isn't quite ready for Burning Man. So instead of swiping yes, he's going to forward this to his best friend, Matt, who loves Burning Man. And he will have the opportunity to download Flutter and meet someone new. And now, Justin can capture his own moment. He can add some funky text overlay to it, express himself as he wishes. And while he's doing that, I'm going to open up the Flutter app and like one of his moments. And hopefully, if we're lucky, we'll have the opportunity to match. So you notice he just sent an in-app notification that he's matched with me. He sees my name and the moment he liked. He can send me messages within the app. And the next cool feature that no one else has ever done is given two people the ability to capture the moment that they actually meet live, face to face. So this is where Justin and I, for the first time, get to establish if there is some sort of organic connection. Hey, Justin. You're cute. So why are we doing this? When we look at the social trends of both social applications and dating, they've evolved dramatically. In the case of social, we have this beautiful, complex ability to have an emotional connection to our friends and family with applications like Snapchat. And dating apps have done this amazing job of getting you addicted to the swipe right, swipe left on new people and pictures. But the issue with this is you don't make an emotional connection with those users like you do Snapchat. And so this is where Flutter comes in. We are bridging the gap between social and dating. Will this be used for dating? Absolutely. In fact, it will indirectly be the best dating platform out there because it's as close as you will get to actually feeling like you connect with someone instead of swiping on tiger selfies and fembots. That being said, there is a much bigger opportunity here around spontaneous, authentic connection. And ultimately, Justin and I are doing this for that. We're single parents, and we have seen the way that technology is progressing drastically and impacting the way humans relate and interact together, and it's a problem. Children and adolescents are more interested and emotionally invested in their devices than they are engaging with their loved ones around them. And so we have created a platform to empower and remind people that in a world of technology, we have to relate to each other. It is in our emotional and psychological well-being and happiness to do so. We've built this platform to empower every single person to create authentic connections. Thank you. We are Flutter. Please download us in the App Store today.
Oh. All right. It worked. A live demo, and it worked. I give you huge props for using a live demo on Wi-Fi. I give huge props to my Wi-Fi people for keeping the Wi-Fi up. Unbelievable. OK, feedback from our judges.
You know, I love the idea of live connections, possibly even more than dating. And I heard you talking in the back that that was sort of your original idea, but you thought it would be used for dating more. Is there a reason you don't try it for other markets and thought dating's the way to go? Or do you think you start with dating and then go back? Well, you're just interested in your thoughts.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're an app for connecting people authentically. And what we've learned is that that isn't necessarily in the dating space. It actually is with the millennial generations, the one that are Snapchatting, they're comfortable showing their faces, and they don't have all of these insecurity baggages that us humans often do, and it's second nature to them to show their faces. And so that's our target market. It's going to be ages 13 to 21.
How do you prevent sort of the chat roulette phenomenon happening on there?
What do you mean exactly?
I took it from you.
That was super delicate.
So the issue with chat roulette is it was a great idea, it was spontaneous, but you didn't actually link your identity with that experience. And so here you have to log in with Facebook. We require you to have 30 friends. If you're a man and you don't have 30 friends, you're not allowed in the app. And we also have robust reporting. We also have the technology to do facial recognition in the event that it gets to that capacity. So we're prepared to do so, although we don't think we'll need to.
Great answer.
How have people reacted so far to the no sound thing?
Most people are really excited because it gives them the ability to express themselves without having to think of what to say. And we're, at this point in time, we're convinced that that's the way to go.
Okay.
I'm curious, what's your plan to get network density when you launch so that when I open the app, the people around me aren't 2,000 miles away?
Absolutely. So we're doing city by city launches. We're starting with LA and then San Francisco and then New York, where naturally our app has already kind of formed a little bit of that structure. We'll be doing a combination of campaigns as well as just tagging with organic campaigns. So whether we're doing Facebook ads, that's one avenue. But honestly, I go to colleges and I put about 1,000 of my campaign flyers on their cars, and you'd be surprised how many people download the app when they know they can win free Coachella tickets.
Yeah, it would seem like schools are the way to go.
All right. Awesome. Any more feedback? Congratulations. What an amazing job you did.